everyone, I am Mitali, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastara, Karnal. Today, my topic is time value of money. What is time value of money? The value of money means the purchasing of the money. Concept of time value of money. The time value of money TVM means the value of a unit of money is different in different time period. In other words, the money receivable in future is less valuable than the money received today. It considers the value of the money in present terms and in future terms also. What are the reasons behind the time value of money? The first reason is inflation. As we all know, what is inflation? The rise in the prices of the goods or products. The second factor behind the time value of money is risk and future uncertainties. We can't predict our risks and uncertainties that will held on in future. The third is personal consumption preference, and the last one is investment opportunities. These all are the reasons behind the time value of money. Now, there are some techniques to measure the time value of money. To make the logical and meaningful comparisons between cash flows that result in different time period, it is necessary to convert the sum of money to a same time period. There are two techniques for doing this. The first one is compounding technique and the second one is discounting technique, or we can say present value technique. Now, first technique is discounting technique. The process of calculating present values of cash flows is known as discounting technique. In this technique, the reverse compounding process is used to calculate the present value of future cash flows. The formula used for this technique is PV equals to FV divided by 1 plus V raised to power M. Now, what does the PV stands? PV stands for principal amount at the beginning of the N period. I stands for rate of interest, N stands for number of payment periods, and FV stands for amount at the end of the N period. Now, the another technique is compounding technique. The process of calculating future values of cash flows, it is same as compounding interest technique, where the interest of one period is added to the principal value to find out the principal value for the next period. The formula for compounding technique is FV is equal to PV multiplied by bracket 1 plus I raised to power N. These all are the techniques to calculate time value of money. Thank you. I hope you like this video and please subscribe to our channel RPIIT.